Alrighty, it is currently, by the way, 7:35 a.m. Ontario police are stalking in the path. You can see right here. Stalking by helicopter. They're engaging in patrolling, and you'll see the images that I took last night. This is what they were engaging in right here in relevant position for a prolonged period, flying in circles over and over again, and engaging in what is criminal summoning, sounding their sirens. These are what the tactics of, first of all, psychological torture, harassment, threatening conduct by stalkers, remaining within eyeshot while they are communicating a threat, and they're monitoring. They're engaging in audible activity. They're conspicuously stalking and doing so. The entity is doing so while I am posting on X that Mike LORENZ is fired, that he's an embarrassment to law enforcement, all right, that the entity is going to prison, and you're engaging in threatening me all night, stalking by helicopter like they're doing on a daily basis. The entity is doing so, and it's relevant to what I am publishing on the worldwide internet, and the suicidal and highly delusional, very demented demons who are stalkers, and so are the people of the state, stalking on behalf of the government. Look at those license plates. The entity is engaging in that pattern of conduct with this, and this is the entity that's doing so. You're looking at the entity that's maintaining ongoing aerial surveillance and doing so in relevant position to me, where the fake sun rises, where they're engaging in psychopathic pacing, and you'll see in my images doing the exact same thing. This is the entity's so-called sunrise. This is the fake sun. Those are demons, which you already know that about the Ontario Police Department. They're demons. They're also stalkers who are engaged in vagina monitoring, and they are the reason why criminal activity fills the city of Ontario. That's also why they are being disbanded. This is mental illness while an entity is stalking. They're engaging in criminal activity while they have been exposed for terrorism, and they've also been embarrassed upon being exposed, and their response, which is also why they're being disbanded by an American citizen who has prosecuted them single-handedly, they engage in more criminal activity. They have shown, as opposed to my documentation, the fact that they are committed to lawlessness, under no circumstances showing any redemptive qualities. And this is a threat to American citizens, including the demons that they are gang stalking with. Understand that. This is P.O.C. It's 7:37 a.m. There's nothing going on behind the church other than criminal monitoring, relevant positioning, stalking. And the Ontario International Airport, again, stalking, flying in the path, engaging cartwheels over. This is where the entity is already shown. 6ULP 642, light activity, relevant positioning. 8RAF 140, 9TXZ 408. This is the massive stalking with the police department sharing in that criminal conspiracy to commit murder. And I have the entity engaging what is stalking me in this manner by more than the Ontario Police Department. The Ontario Police, however, are going to federal prison. Recall all the demons engaging in what is battery, C. Gerber, Arnez engaging in what is a battery while they're stalking me at the bus stop. Engage, oh, is that you? They know exactly who I am. First of all, they're demons. Second of all, they're stalkers engaging in criminal surveillance, knowing exactly who I am, putting their hands on me, harassing me while they are stalking, just like the entity is doing by helicopter. You have the demons that are engaged in this as a pattern while they're monitoring me at the bus stop where the fake sun rises, and this is the same block. Right over here is where I'm documenting the fake sun setting. These are the demons, and Mike LORENZ is an embarrassment to law enforcement, and he is indeed exposed, and he is fired. Okay, this is the public and official means of firing a terrorist that's engaging in criminal activity with the people of the state. 8RAZ 186. This is P.O.C. It is currently 7:30. And the demons are engaged in ceaselessly stalking and following me. And the documentation shows that the entity engaged in what is stalking me and flying over my head, stalking me just in the same exact manner, flying in circles by helicopter for over an hour, engaging in criminal summoning, kidnapping me at this bus stop, and stalking me throughout the city of Ontario. And they're stalking right now, and is going to be subject to federal prison for that. Every kidnapper, everyone engaging in criminal summoning, and the people of the state gang stalking with them. This is, by the way, the Bethel congregation where the fake sun is over me as I'm documenting after 12:30 in the afternoon, and the fake sun is over me in the parking lot. These are indeed demons, and so are the people of the state. They are surrounded with the evidence of being demons and engaging what is stalking me specifically, and so are the people of the state. See, it is 7:39 a.m.